Make a great choice today with 2021 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, running boards, power lift gate, power mirrors, traction control system, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, steering wheel, audio controls, push button start, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.